here the main question arises. Will such an approach really be able to replace smartphones? Because a smartphone is not just a device, it is an ecosystem. Millions of applications, services, habits, and to displace it, it is necessary to offer not just an alternative, but something radically better. And this is exactly what Sam Altman is apparently betting on. According to rumors, the company is already preparing for the first closed demonstrations, test showcases for a narrow circle, where the basic concept of the device will be presented. The exact release date is still unknown, and most likely there are still several years before a full launch, but the very fact that such developments are underway is already changing the market. Because as soon as a new category of devices appears, a new race begins. Apple accelerates its research, Samsung invests more actively in AI, other companies begin to look for their own solutions. And at some point, we may find ourselves in a situation where the familiar smartphone will cease to be the center of our digital life, and its place will be taken by devices of a new generation, smarter, more invisible, more integrated, and perhaps Atlas will become the first step into this new era.